Question number 36, and this question is given from the lesson AP, right? And question is, Miss Sheila visited a store near her house and found that the glass jars are arranged one above the other in a specific pattern. On the top layer there are 3 jars. Okay, according to these questions, glass jars are arranged in such a way. Suppose on the top layer there are 1, 2, 3 jars in first layer, right? Again, in the next layer there are 6 jars. In second layer there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jars in next layer. Okay, then after, in the third layer from the top there are 9 jars and so on till the 8th layer. Okay, in the third layer there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 jars in third layer. And in this way this pattern goes to 4th, 5th, 6, 7, 8 जम्मा 8th लेयरसम्म यसरी ग्लास जार्सहरू अरेन्ज गरेर राखिएको छ टिल 8th लेयर, राइट? नाउ क्वेसन इज, write an AP whose terms represents the number of jars in different layers starting from top. Okay, starting from top. Okay students, it's very simple questions. Here we just have to make an AP, right? So अब यही सिचुएसन अनुसार we can make AP here, and our AP will be AP equal to, okay, in first layer there are 3 jars, so 3 should be here. In second layer there are 6 jars, and in third layer there are 9 jars, and it goes up to 8th layer, right? Now this is A, and this is A2, and this is A3. In this way simply we made our AP, right? Now next we have to find out, okay, here is written, also find the common difference. So D equal to A2 minus A. A2 we have 6 and A we have 3. Then after subtracting we will get 3. This is our answer of this question, right? Now question number 2. Is it possible to arrange 34 jars in a layer? If this pattern is continued, justify your answer. Okay, suppose this 34 is AN. So here AN equal to 34, right? Now we have AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. AN 34, A we have 3 plus N minus 1, D we have 3. Then finally we got N equal to 34 by 3, and this result says that it is not possible to arrange 34 jars in such a specific pattern, right? किनभने यहाँ N को भ्याल्यु फ्र्याक्सनल फर्ममा रहेको छ, and as we know N must be any natural number, right? So we can write here it is not possible. अब क्वेसन नंबर 3 को A. If there are n number of rows in a layer, then find the expression for finding the total number of jars in terms of n. यहाँ हामीले एउटा एक्सप्रेसन बनाउनुपर्छ टु फाइन्ड टोटल नम्बर अफ जार्स and in term of n, not in exact number, right? According to situation given above, we know that from top layer glass जारहरू जम्मा 8 लेयरसम्म अरेन्ज गरेर राखिएको छ। ओके, अब यो क्वेसन अनुसार फेरि 8 लेयरको साटो हामीले यहाँ nth लेयर अज्युम गर्नुपर्छ। In doing so, what will be the expression to find total number of jars, जुन चाहिँ हामीले in term of n फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्छ। ओके, सो we have Sn equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 d. n by 2 into a, we have 3 plus n minus 1 d, we have 3, then okay, in this way we obtain Sn equal to this expression, which is in term of n, right? This is our answer. Further, it has been written, hence find S8. okay, it means अहिले भर्खर हामीले के अज्युम गरेका थियौँ भने ग्लास जारहरू टप टु बटम nth लेयरसम्म एरेन्ज गरेर राखेको छ भनेर। अब फेरि यो nth लेयरलाई 8th लेयर मान्नुपर्छ, अथवा सिम्पली Sn लाई हामी S8 मानेर यो क्वेसन सल्भ गर्नुपर्छ। ओके, we already have Sn equal to this expression, so n को ठाउँमा हामी के लेख्छौँ S8, so S8 equal to this expression n by 2 3 plus 3n. n we have 8, 2, 3 plus 3 into n we have 8. Now 2 1 2, 2 4 8, 3 plus 8 3 24. Then S8 equal to 108. This is our answer. Now last one, question number 3 ko B. The shopkeeper added 3 jars in each layer. How many jars are there in the 5th layer from the top? Here we have to find number of jars in 5th layer, right? So we already have AP equal to 3, 6, 9, and it goes up to 8th layer, right? Now shopkeeper added 3 jars in each layer, so here should be 3, 3, 3. Now our new AP or number of jars in each layer will be, in first layer 6, in second layer 9, in third 12, similarly in fourth 15, and in fifth layer there is 18. So this is first layer, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So number of jars in first layer 6, in second 9, in third 12, in fourth 15, in fifth 18. In this way, we directly obtain number of jars in fifth layer, right? तर यो क्वेसन 2 मार्क्स को भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि लेट्स सल्भ अगेन बाय युजिङ फर्मुला. Here A equal to 6, D equal to 3, N equal to 5. Now we have An equal to A plus N minus 1 D. A equal to we have 6, N equal to we have 5 and 1, D equal to 3. 6 plus 5 minus 1 4, 4 into 3 12, and while adding 18. In this way we got number of jars, that is 18. This is our answer which we had already obtained here, right?